Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. In today's lesson, we are going to see a new topic in math. Lesson number 5, division number 1. Division is nothing but division is repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction is called as division. Now, studio book page number 113. Fifth chapter, division number 1. How can we share equally? How to share equally? We are discussed in this lesson. Overview of this lesson. From equal groups of given sets of objects, we have to separate equal groups of given set of objects. Then use division to solve certain real life problems. Using word problems to solve real life problems. Now, PEP activity number 5.1. Class 3A has an art class. The teacher gives 8 ice cream sticks to each pair of students to make a photo frame. Kumar and Manisha have 8 ice cream sticks. Here, he is Kumar, she is Manisha. They both of them having 8 ice cream sticks. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 ice cream sticks are there to make a photo frame. Now next page number 114 in your studio book, children. How do they share the ice cream sticks between themselves such that both of them are happy? Tick your option. They are going to share the ice cream sticks equally. For that, we are going to share the ice cream sticks. If it is we have to share the things, they both of them will be happy. For the options are both of them get the same number of ice cream sticks. While they are getting the same number of ice cream sticks means they will get happy, or else one of them gets more than other. One person will be get more ice cream sticks, another person will be getting minimum ice cream stick. For that, which option will be correct? Yes, both of them getting same number of ice cream sticks is the correct one, because both of them getting same answer means they will happy. Now, to avoid fighting, Kumar and Manisha share the ice cream sticks equally among themselves. This kind of equal sharing is called division. See, it will be important. Equal sharing is called division. We can divide the ice cream sticks between the two of them by grouping them into 2 equal groups. We have to group the ice cream sticks in 2 groups because there are 2 persons are there. For that, we have to share the ice cream sticks in 2 groups. For 2 groups, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 ice cream sticks. She having 1, 2, 3, 4. See here also 4 ice cream sticks, here also 4 ice cream sticks. So they will be happy now. How many ice cream sticks do each of them get now? Yes, number 4. 4 ice cream sticks. 4 plus 4 will be 8. Now, therefore, when 8 ice cream sticks are shared equally by 2 people, each person gets 4 sticks. 2 groups of 4 ice cream stick will be 8 ice cream sticks. Have you been in a fight with your friend for not sharing equally? If you are fighting with your friend for not sharing equally, children, if it is yes means tick here. If it is no means tick here no box. Next, studio book page number 115, children. If yes means what did you do to make things better? If you are fighting with your friend means what you have to do now? If you are sharing the objects equally, because both of them get happy, you have to write your response here, children. If any situation you are fighting with your brother or friend, anyone, in that situation you have to get a better situation or normal. You have to make a normal situation. You have to share the things equally. You have to write your response here, children. Now we will move on to the next activity. Activity number 5.2, hands-on activity. With your partner, divide the given objects in equal groups. We have to share the objects in equal groups. Draw the objects in the cup provided. We have to draw the objects in the cup. First one takes 6 buttons. First they are giving 6 buttons. Divide them equally between 2 cups. We have to divide the buttons in 2 cups. How many buttons are there in each cup? First we have to put 1 button here. Then we have to put 1 button. Now they having 2. Now another set. We have to put 1 button here. Then we have to put 1 button here. Now they having 2 plus 2 will be 4. Now another set of button, 1 button, 1 button. See now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are getting 6 buttons. We have to divide the buttons in 2 groups of 3 buttons. We are separating 3 buttons, 3 buttons. Like that the next one. Second question takes 12 leaves. Divide them equally between 3 cups. We have to divide the leaves in 3 cups. How many leaves are there in each cup? First, we have to draw the 1 leaf here. Here. Next cup. So, totally first 3 leaves are left. Then we have to draw another set of leaves. 2 plus 2 will be 4. 4 plus 2 will be 6. Now we will move on to the next one. See now 3 plus 3 will be 6. 6 plus 3 will be 9. Now the next set. Till we have to divide the leaves. We have to get number 12. Now it having 4 leaves. It having 4 leaves. It having 4 leaves. 4 plus 4 will be 8. 8 plus 4 will be 12. So we have to group the leaves in 3 groups of 4 leaves. 3 groups of 4 leaves. 1. Take 8 seeds. Divide them equally between 4 cups. How many seeds are there in each cup? First we have to put 1 seed. Seed 1, seed 2, seed 3, seed 4. Now we will start the another one. Seed 5, seed 6, seed number 7, seed number 8. We are getting the number 8 seeds. Now you can see that 1 cup. 1 cup consists of 2 seeds. Here 2 seeds. Here 2 seeds. Here 2 seeds. So 4 groups of 2 seeds. It consists of 8 seeds. Totally 8 seeds. Like that you have to divide the given object using equal sharing. Like that you have to do this activity, children. Next, studio book, page number 116, children. Suhan's mother is making puris for Suhan, Jayan, Sara and Meera. There are 4 peoples are there. Let us see how she divides the puris among them. She is Suhan's mother, Suhan, Jayan, Sara and Meera. There are 4 people. She prepares puris for them. She is going to give puris equally. First, Suhan's mother serves Suhan, Jayan, Sara and Meera for 1 buri each. First, she is giving 1 buri for each person. Then, she serves each of them their second puri. Then, she will serve them again 1 set of puris. Then, she continues to serve and serves as a total of 12 puris. Then, she will give another set of puris. Then, each of them having 3 puris, here 3 puris, here 3 puris, here 3 puris. Now add them. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 will be 6. 6 plus 3 will be 9. 9 plus 3 will be 12. Totally she serves 12 puris. Now where the puris distributed equally among all 4 of them? See the plates. Count the puris and write it here. Now each of them having 3 puris. So she is distributed equally of them. So we have to write here yes. She is distributed the puris equally. Now 12 puris shared equally by 4 people gives 3 puris each. As a division facts, it is written as we already seen addition fact, subtraction facts. Then multiplication fact also we are discussed. Now we will move on to the division fact. 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Here it will be called it as divided by. Then it is called it as equal to. The answer will be called it as quotient. Very, very important. See here, 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. 3 is called it as quotient. Here, each of the numbers represents the following. 12 is the total number of objects. Here, total number of puris. Now, 4 is the number of groups. How many people are there? 4 people. So, number of groups. 3 is the number of objects in each group. See here, 3 is 3 puris, 3 puris, 3 puris. It is number of objects in each group, which is called the quotient. The answer will be called it as quotient in the division fact. Again, once again I repeat this. 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. 3 is called it as quotient. 12 is total number of objects. 4 will be number of groups. 3 will be number of objects in each group, or otherwise called it as quotient. This will be division fact. Now, studio book page number 117 children. 5.3 activity. Shibani, Nazia, Jennifer, Naina and Pooja. There are 5 people as there. Have 1 basket each. There is 1 basket each. There are 15 flowers. How many flowers will each person get? If the flowers are shared equally among them, we have to share the flowers each of them. First, we have to draw first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 flowers there. Now we will make a group. For group, we will draw the flowers. First, we will draw 1 flower, second flower, third flower, fourth flower, fifth flower. Now the second set. 6, 7th flower, 8th flower, 9th flower, 10th flower. Then we will move on to the third set. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, we will get the 15 flowers. See now, 1 basket consists of 1, 2, 3. So we will group them as 3 flowers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So, each of them having 3 flowers. Each person will get 3 flowers. Like that we have to share the flowers equally. Then here we have to write the division fact for this sum. 15 flowers shared equally by 5 people gives 3 flowers each. Fill in the boxes with division symbol and equal to the complete the division fact. 15 divided by 5 equal to 3 because 15 is total number of flowers, 5 will be group, number of groups, 3 will be number of flowers in each group. So 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. Next, activity number 5.4. Use the correct symbols to represent these statements as a division fact. Now we are to write the division fact. 10 gems shared equally by 5 people gives 2 gems. There are totally 10 gems. We have to share by 5 people 2 gems each. So 10 is total number of gems. 5 will be group of people equal to already given. So 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Next one, 14 marbles shared equally by 2 people gives 7 marbles each. Here total number of marbles will be 14. Number of people or number of group will be 2. Then the answer will be 7 marbles each. So 14 divided by 2 will be 7. This is a division fact of the given sum. Now see here, division helps us find the number of objects in each group when we know the number of groups that need to be formed. While we have to know how many groups are there, how many persons are there, how many objects are there, or else we have to group them, means we have to use the division. Division helps us find the number of objects in each group. We have to find how many objects are in one group or two group. Also we have to use the division. When we know the number of groups that need to be formed, then we have to know how many groups are there. Also we have to find it in division. Next page number 118 in your studio book, children. Look around activity number 5.5. List any two situations where we need to divide objects equally. Which are all the situations we are using the division as divides objects equally? When we are sharing chocolates, or if it is we are gaining some amount, we are getting some amount from one person, means you have to share with your brother, you have to share with your father, you have to share with your mother, means then we have to use the divides equally situation. There we have to share money. You have to write anything, your response, any response you have to write it here, children. For example alone I am writing sharing chocolate, sharing money. You have to write any sharing situations, children. Now the next one, companion activity number 5A. Read the given statement and the question. This will be your home fun. This is your companion book, page number 49, children. Those who are not having companion book, take a screenshot now. Activity number 5A. Read the statements and answer the following questions. You have to read the statements, then you have to answer the questions. Take a screenshot. First question, second question, third question. You have to read the question, then you have to answer the down questions. Complete it and upload it in Chrysalis app, children. Till this, we are ending up today's session. In this session, we are discussed about how to share the object equally. Division is equal sharing. Sharing equally is called it as division. Bye bye, children. We will meet in next session. Bye bye.